PM Narendra Modi today flagged off Kerala's first Vande Bharat Express between Thiruvananthapuram and Kasaragod at Thiruvananthapuram Central Station. PM Narendra Modi will reach the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu today afternoon. He will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone for various projects worth 4,800 crores at Silvassa. As the Karnataka Assembly election approaches fast, campaigning have been intensified with many union and state ministers and political stalwarts touring the state for rallies and roadshows. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar today took a veiled dik at Pakistan and said that it is very difficult to engage with a neighbor who practices cross-border terrorism against India. The National Investigation Agency is carrying out searches at 12 locations in Bihar against the cadres of the banned Popular Front of India in the state.